Hello, welcome to Passing the Lamp. I am Mavis Jewett, RN, and I'd like to thank you all for stopping by. Passing the Lamp. We got that name, actually, we were inspired by Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale, during the Crimean War, was called by the London Times the nurse with the lamp because she held one at night when she was checking on her patients during the Crimean War. That lamp became a lamp of knowledge. She passed that on to us. She started the first professional nursing school. From that school, it passed not just through generations, but from country to country. Since then, nurses have been passing down from generation to generation the tools of our trade, the tools that make life a little easier for us, our work a little lighter. Like many of you, I've been an aide, I've been an LPN, I've been a volunteer, been a missionary. We have a lot of hats on our head as nurses. When we're capped, in the old days when we were capped, we had no idea how many hats we actually would be wearing by the time we retired. Of the almost 4 million active nurses in the United States currently, about 30% of them are going to be retiring within the next 5 to 10 years. And it's time now for my generation to pass on to your generation these tools so that we can make your job just a little bit easier. Tools are meant to make the work lighter, a little bit easier, and certainly more distinctive, more directional. As a new nurse, you have less and less time face-to-face with the patient, unlike the years that we spent most of our shift face-to-face with patients and about an hour of documentation. Now coming out of school, the burden of documentation, it is now perhaps 50% of the whole shift. So these tools that we're passing on are to make your time with the patient more fruitful and more meaningful for you. We're putting together this series of videos as part of an information resource that you can use as you progress through your career. As time goes on, we'll be adding other voices from others who are experienced in nursing and have valuable information and advice to pass along to you as well. It's been a wonderful, wonderful career to be in because of that lamp that Florence Nightingale passed on to us. And hopefully at the end of your career, you'll be passing it on to our new nurses from there too.